Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Soundbar. Number 5. Teltronix 3 Equalizer Mode Audio Speaker for TV, 32-inch. Room-filling sound, powerful speakers deliver a round, high-end audio experience. Multiple wireless and wired connections, easily connect to the soundbar via Bluetooth 4.2 or standard audio cable connection. 3 different equalizer modes, fine-tune your soundbar with 3 distinct equalizer modes. Control your soundbar remotely, handle your soundbar from the comfort of your couch or directly on the device. Slim to save space, slick 32-inch design pleases the eye and slim dimensions save valuable space. Number 4, Vizio SB3651F6 36 inches 5.1 home theater. True 5.1 listening, enjoy true 5.1 surround sound with the included rear surround sound speakers and wireless subwoofer. Note, please refer troubleshooting steps at pg.36 in user manual. Wireless subwoofer, experience room-shaking bass with the wireless subwoofer. Sound pressure level -101 decibels. DTS Virtual X delivers virtual overhead sound for an immersive sound experience. Wi-Fi streaming, experience higher quality audio streaming over your home's Wi-Fi network. Number 3, Vizio SB3821C6 38-inch 2.1 channel soundbar. Enjoy 100 decibels of room filling, crystal clear sound with less than 1% total harmonic distortion. Wireless subwoofer adds rich bass from anywhere in the room. Built-in Bluetooth lets you lose the wires and listen to your music with the tap of a finger with built-in Bluetooth. Premium audio with Dolby Digital decoding, plus DTS True Volume and DTS Audio post-processing. Wireless remote for convenient volume, input and audio controls. Number 2, Vizio SB2920C6 29-inch 2.0 channel soundbar, 95 decibels of room filling, crystal clear sound with less than 1% total harmonic distortion. Built-in Bluetooth lets you lose the wires and listen to your music with the tap of a finger. Easy upgrade that boosts sound with a powerful punch. Premium audio with DTS Studio Sound TM, DTS True Volume trademark and DTS True Surround. Easy setup, connect the sound bar to your TV using one of the included cables. Number 1, Teltronix Soundbar Wired Wireless Bluetooth Audio. 34-inch 2.0 channel audio, completes your at-home theater system with 4 full-range high-quality speakers. Wire or wireless connections, modern and traditional devices work with the speaker thanks to Bluetooth. touch or remote control, Dual operation modes for convenience that feature high-grade metal controls. Place below or above, set it under the television or mount it on the wall for a convenient and elegant setup. A modern look, constructed with robust material to last years, the design suits any home, adding a modern and high-tech touch.